What's up, my YouTube family? Check what I got. A DJI Osmo Pocket DJI. Can't wait to try this baby out. Sunday is SABima day and I'm going to be using it there. So let's get the thing unboxed and let's check what's in the box, and then I'll show you something special as well that I got with it. Can't wait to try this baby out. Laid out in front of us is the DJI Osmo Pocket carry case, documentation, and in the box was a little box that contained the lanyard strap for the carry case, as well as the charging cable, and then the connectors for connecting the DJI Osmo Pocket to your mobile phone, which I will show you later on. We've also got the lightning connector, which you can see over there, that plugs into your iPhone. Now it does come with a USB-C connector as well, as I said earlier on, and that just basically slides out of the DJI Osmo and you can replace it with your USB-C. The DJI Osmo comes with two mics, one at the bottom as you can see here, and your charging port is at the bottom as well. On the side we have the micro SD card slot, and on the top you've got your two buttons, your record button and your function button, and an additional mic. Now the button on the right is also your power button, but that we'll get into a bit later. So the DJI Osmo Pocket comes with a 1-inch screen that sits on the top above your buttons as well as your connector. It is a touchscreen and is very intuitive and easy to operate. It controls all your functionalities of the DJI Osmo. In the box we also received a DJI Osmo carry case, which is hard plastic with a rubber band, and at the bottom is a charge port for you to charge your DJI Osmo. What I also got myself was the DJI Osmo charging case. And on the side is the charge light, as well as a little button that you just press down to open your charge case, and I'll show you guys shortly what that looks like. Okay, so let's open up the DJI charge case and have a look inside. So I'm going to just hit the little button on the side, and as you can see it has two little ports for memory cards, and at the bottom you house your ND filters as well. So when you close it, you just rotate it back and it closes up. So that's all you do. There's no button to press. Closing, and you open it, you hit the button, it opens up again. That's where the charge port is, so you need to remove anything that you have attached and slide it into the charging case as so, and then clips in, and you just use a little lever to lock it in place. Close it up so that it starts charging. If it's open, it's not going to charge all you see, so it's green showing us charging. And then once you finish charge, or you also see that it has a light that flickers. That light goes solid. Finish charging, open up again with the button, remove, and then pull it out. So that's basically what the charger looks like, and once again to close, just rotate it with your fingers, as you can see there. Okay, so there wasn't much that came in the box. That was all that's basically in the box. The charging case is separate. I bought that separately, it's not included. And yeah, I will be following up with subsequent videos in the coming weeks of my experience with the DJI Osmo Pocket and giving you a full breakdown of what I think of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.